Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can calculate molarity, molality and normality of the solution by using the enum function. So for that I am taking the 5 numerical control and 1 numerical indicator to show our outputs. So now I am going back here. So first of all here we will calculate number of moles. So for that number of moles is nothing but weight of the components divided by its molecular weight. So this is nothing but it is giving the number of moles. So which I am just number of moles. So once we know the number of moles, then we can calculate our molarity. So for that I'm going back in a structure, and in a structure we have select this case structure now like that. And before that, as I said, we are going to calculate the terms with the help of enum. So here I'm just selecting the enum operator. Yeah, this one. So this enum, initially we can see operator. I'll just change this name. Okay. So now initially what we are seeing here, there is a no operator is showing. So now I'll add the terms which we want to calculate. So here we will first calculate molarity in short, then molality, then normality. Okay, now we'll see the order. First we want to calculate molarity, but the molarity is down, so we have to down this molality. So with this option we can move down, then molality down, then first molality. So now I just put all the terms in order in which we want to calculate. Okay, so whatever the terms we have add, so all the terms will reflect on this operator window. So now I'll go back, and this is number of moles, so simply I'll just put here the number of moles, and okay. So now here this is about operator, so I'll just connect this operator with this question mark. So here once I just connect it, so you will see here we have two molarity and molality is coming, but not the normality is coming. So for that I'll just add the case after. So now you'll see all the three terms is visible here. So now first of all we are going to calculate this molarity. So for this molarity we know number of moles divided by volume of the solution in liter. And I'll connect this with this result. So now molarity part is over. Now I'll go for molarity suppose. So in a molarity again we know to calculate the number of sorry, while taking this number of moles divided by its solution, and then it's multiply by its factor. So this is give you normality. Now if we'll go for molality, so for this molality we need number of moles divided by weight of solvent. So while doing this full exercise, I have completed all the three circuits. So now I'll go back in your front panel to check either we are getting the right results or not. So for the testing point of view, I am just taking the weight of the components A in grams. Suppose I'll take this is your 2000 gram, and molecular weight of the component this is 40. So from here we'll see the number of moles is 500, and here if we'll calculate this molarity, so molarity is okay. So we'll see here nothing is coming because this is number of moles is coming, and to calculate the molarity we have to define the volume of the solution. So suppose I'll take the volume of the solution. This is nothing but 80. So now I will check 6.25. So now again I will change something else, whatever be the value you have. So you'll simply put this value and cross check what the molarity is coming. So this is the way through which we can calculate this molarity. Similarly, if I'll put the weight of solvent, suppose I'll put the weight of solvent, this is 80 kg, and then we'll calculate molarity. So this is a molarity. If I'll put this factor, suppose it's 1, so this is similar to come, it's your normality. So that means what? This is the way through which we can find out any operation while using this enum here actually. Friends, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.